tutawafanya nini?
Ramogi jogo mane gilonye weche mag Midusa pacho ka sani koro ijiwo mondo ti kod thuolo manitie winjruok mar pinje Afrika ma ugwe eneno ni giyudo kendo gitiyo tije mag orak e pinjego kaka Uganda, Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda kod mamoko. Matimore sama duol marango tije mano Engineers Board of Kenya temo matek mondo giyud thuolo ailago magi bende otucho e romo margi madhi nyime e boma Kisumu. Jumani duto mabende oyuore kod gavana mar kaunti ma Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o mabende opoyo tije ma Midusa go tiyo e bero piny ahinya to weche mag wuoth kod tudruok.
This conference is about infrastructure development. We have entitled it Rethinking and Reshaping Infrastructure Development Priorities in Africa. We chose infrastructure because it is critical to the socio-economic development of our country and the regions like the Lake Basin Development Region and indeed the entire East African continent. The discussions will be focusing on what are the gaps in meeting the infrastructure development needs of the country.
Taking voices from these stakeholders across the infrastructure sector, the conference will evaluate the critical infrastructure challenges, catalyze partnerships among actors, and devise ways of prioritizing infrastructure investment that will maximize benefits to society.
We need to enter into mutual recognition agreements. So one way we are trying to do that is to sign up with the Washington Accord, whereby our engineers, once we enter into the agreement, will be recognized with all the countries that have signed up to the Washington Accord. And also right now we already have mutual recognition agreements in East Africa. So our engineers can easily cross to Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and do business there.
I hope you will come up with meaningful and implementable resolutions that you will share with us in the